In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use contexts in Dialogflow ES. Contexts are the glue that holds a conversation together in Dialogflow ES. They let your agent remember details from one user message and make them available to the next part of the conversation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access Dialogflow, open an intent, attach an output context, and enrich that intent with training phrases and entities so your bot can understand and store what matters. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Dialogflow. You're looking for the official Dialogflow console. Click the first result that takes you to the Dialogflow site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account. Many users are signed in automatically, so you may land right in the console. Make sure you're in the correct agent for your project before proceeding. Next, open an intent that's relevant to the information you want to capture. For example, if you're collecting room preferences, choose the intent that handles those inputs. Inside the intent editor, locate the contexts section. This is where you'll attach memory to your conversation. Add a unique, descriptive name as an output context. A clear name like booking. InfoCTXT works well because it tells you what the context holds. Output contexts mark the intent as setting a piece of state that other intents can later read. Think of it as saying, from now on, we know something about booking details, so follow-up intents can rely on that knowledge. Keep the name simple, avoid spaces, and be consistent with your naming style across your agent. After entering the context name, click Save to make sure it's applied to the intent. Now add training phrases to teach Dialogflow what users might say. If you expect someone to specify a room view, a phrase like mountain view is a good example. Provide natural variations that reflect how users really talk. As you add each phrase, annotate the part that represents a value with an entity, such as at room view. This tells Dialogflow to extract that piece of information and store it as a parameter when the intent matches. Using entities helps your bot capture structured data reliably, whether users say mountain view, city view, or other supported values. When you're satisfied with the phrases and annotations, click Save again. That's it. You've opened Dialogflow, accessed your intent, attached an output context to preserve state, and added training phrases and entities to capture user inputs. With these pieces in place, your agent can remember what the user said and use it in the next steps of the conversation.